Have you ever found yourself wondering if the girl you're spending time around is beginning to develop genuine feelings for you? It can feel exciting, yet also a bit confusing. Because here's the real truth: women rarely express it directly. Instead, they leave subtle emotional trails, tiny gestures, hidden hints, and unspoken actions that say far more than words ever could. And if you miss these signals, you might lose the chance to build something truly meaningful. So in today's video on the manipulated mind, I, Stephanie, will walk you through the key signs that show she's starting to catch real feelings for you. Stay tuned, because as we go deeper, you'll not only learn what to notice, but also how to respond in a way that strengthens the connection between you. Understanding how a girl's emotions grow for you can be eye-opening and empowering. It gives you clarity, clears away guesswork, and helps you read her emotions in ways that draw you closer, instead of pushing her away. Her affection usually builds gradually, appearing in tiny moments, simple words, and fleeting looks that most men completely overlook. In this video, we'll explore the main signs of emotional attraction, and I'll explain step by step how to interpret each one for a more genuine emotional connection. Stay until the very end, because these insights will transform the way you understand women forever and help you navigate real attraction with confidence. Sign 1. She opens up emotionally. One of the clearest signs that her feelings are evolving is when she begins to share her inner world. Think about it. Most people protect their personal space. We don't normally talk about childhood memories, dreams, insecurities, or past pain with just anyone. If she's sharing those pieces with you, it means she's lowering her guard, a powerful act of trust. This isn't small talk. This is her way of saying, I see you as someone safe. I value your insight. I want you to know the real me. For example, if she tells you about a tough period in her life, maybe a family issue, a heartbreak, or a personal struggle, that's her way of inviting you into her private world. She may even ask your advice or seek your opinion, showing she values your thoughts in her decisions. Next time a girl starts opening up emotionally, don't just nod and listen passively. Engage, because that vulnerability isn't random. It's her silent signal that her feelings are deepening and she's starting to see you differently. Sign 2. She lights up when she sees you. One of the earliest hints that a girl is catching feelings is the way her energy instantly shifts the moment you walk into the room. Watch closely. This one's subtle but powerful. You might notice her eyes brighten, her smile widen, or her posture change, as though your presence just recharged her mood. That's not casual friendliness. It's a genuine emotional spark when someone truly values your presence. Think about it. We don't light up for everyone. That glow is reserved for someone special. If you're in a group and she spots you first, she might wave excitedly or even leave the conversation to come greet you. That's her emotion speaking louder than words. Picture this. You walk into a busy event and she brightens instantly. Out of everyone there, she locks eyes with you. That's not coincidence. That's affection surfacing. Her joyful reaction reveals that your presence means more than anyone else's. Before we go on, make sure you hit like, subscribe to The Manipulated Mind, and share this video. The next signs will reveal patterns most men never recognize. Sign 3. She finds ways to spend one-on-one time with you. When feelings begin to grow stronger, she won't depend only on group hangouts anymore. She'll start creating excuses and opportunities for just the two of you to be alone together. It could be something as simple as inviting you for coffee, offering to help with something, or finding a reason to spend more time privately. These are intentional moves, not accidents. Her way of building deeper connection. In group settings, she might pull you aside or suggest you both sneak out for a walk or have a late-night chat. Each private moment she initiates is her quiet way of saying, I want to understand you better. These one-on-one times aren't only about talking, they're how she tests the chemistry between you. Alone time helps her feel the emotional energy that tells her whether there's something more than friendship. Ask yourself, why would she rearrange her schedule or make creative excuses just to be near you? Because her heart is leading her. Her consistent effort is proof she wants to move closer emotionally. Sign 4. Her body language is affectionate. Before she says anything, her body language reveals the truth. When a girl is developing feelings, her actions often betray her emotions. You might notice her leaning closer, lightly touching your arm, turning her body toward you, or sitting so near that the space disappears. These seem small, but in psychology, they're huge indicators of attraction. Our bodies naturally lean toward what we desire. If she's beside you and leans in unconsciously, or her hand lingers on your arm when she laughs, that's not accidental. It's her body expressing connection and curiosity. Even if her hugs last longer or her legs point toward you, those are subconscious signals of desire. Her body will often tell the truth long before her words do. Her affectionate gestures are her silent confession of interest. If you observe them repeatedly, it's no coincidence. It's confirmation that her emotions are deepening fast. Sign 5. She starts using we and our. Another intriguing shift happens in her speech. When a girl truly develops feelings, her language changes. She begins saying we and our instead of I or me. That small adjustment carries a huge message. She's beginning to see you as part of her life, her circle, her story. Listen carefully. If she says things like, "We should try that new place," "Our favorite show is back," or "We'd make a great team," she's already imagining you together. It's subtle but powerful. Her mind is building a shared identity with you. She's not just thinking of herself anymore, she's emotionally pairing you in her vision. Don't overlook it. The words she chooses open windows into her heart. When I turns into we, she's mentally inviting you into her story. Pause and hit that like button, subscribe to The Manipulated Mind, and share this insight because what's coming next uncovers the strongest signs of genuine attraction you'll ever learn.
Sign 6. She's playfully touchy. A strong sign of affection is when she becomes playfully physical. This isn't about intense contact, but light, fun touches that bridge friendship and romance. She might nudge your shoulder while laughing, bump your arm, brush your hand, or lightly graze you in passing. These touches are rarely accidental. They're intentional displays of comfort and attraction. It's her unspoken way of saying, "I feel relaxed with you. I like being close." We usually don't touch people we don't feel safe around. If you're sitting side by side and she taps your leg gently or leans in with a smile, it might seem playful, but psychologically, it's her heart whispering, "I enjoy being near you." When she does these soft, playful gestures, don't dismiss them. They're among the oldest and most natural ways humans show romantic interest. Sign 7. She supports and encourages you wholeheartedly. When a woman is emotionally invested, she doesn't just show up, she cheers you on. She'll motivate, praise, and push you forward, wanting to see you succeed. Her support isn't surface-level politeness, it's personal and passionate. If you're chasing a goal, she'll check in, offer suggestions, or remind you that you can handle it. She does this because your progress matters to her. She's emotionally attached to your happiness, seeing your journey as part of her emotional landscape. If she tells you, "You've got this, you're amazing," or shows up when you need encouragement, that's not random kindness, it's emotional connection in action. How many people actually do that? Not many. If she's one of them, it's because her heart is already involved. Sign 8. She gets nervous or shy around you. Even the most confident women can become flustered or bashful around someone they truly like. You may catch her fiddling with her fingers, playing with her hair, or avoiding your gaze, even though she's clearly drawn to you. She might blush when you compliment her or lose her words, almost as if her heart and mind can't keep up. This nervousness isn't fear, it's care. She doesn't want to say the wrong thing because your opinion matters deeply. Say something simple like, "You look beautiful today," and she giggles nervously, looks away smiling, or tucks her hair behind her ear. That's her emotions leaking through her calm surface. If she's confident with others but a bit shy with you, that's not insecurity, it's attraction revealing itself. Recognizing these signs, her emotional openness, her joy when she sees you, her effort for one-on-one moments, her affectionate body language, her use of we and our, her playful touches, her encouragement, and her nervous excitement gives you incredible clarity. Women often show attraction through behaviors long before words. By noticing these clues, you can respond wisely and strengthen emotional chemistry. Remember, emotions aren't always spoken, they're shown. If you see several of these together, she's likely developing real affection. And when you respond with calm confidence and warmth, you're not just noticing her feelings, you're deepening the bond that could change everything. If this video hit home, don't scroll away. Comment below which sign stood out most to you. Like this video if you found it valuable, and subscribe to The Manipulated Mind for more insights unlocking human behavior and relationships. Because once you learn to decode these subtle emotional signals, you'll never view attraction the same way again. I'm Stephanie, and I'll see you in the next video.